If you're experiencing connection errors in Elden Ring, particularly error 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Elden Ring website or social media channels to check if the game servers are down for maintenance or experiencing issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Elden Ring completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the game servers and resolve temporary glitches. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, etc. to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which may fix connection issues. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by testing your connection speed or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or connecting via a wide connection. Step 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, firewalls or antivirus software can block the game from connecting to the internet. Check your firewall settings to ensure that Elden Ring is allowed through, or temporarily disable your antivirus to see if it resolves the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve connection errors in Elden Ring. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance.